What? Yeah, I got you. So you want a slushy? Yeah. Yeah, I got you. It's a hot day. Yeah. Sure, I might even get one myself too. You want to grab a snack too, or you good?
Okay.
All right, we'll get this and this.
Let me scan the chips.
Okay. All right. All right, bro. Hey, do you want to keep this also? It was mine, but there's a burger and like chicken nuggets in there.
Okay.
All right. Have a good day. God bless you.